Good evening, everyone. I want to look at the markets again to see what has happened previous trading week and what we anticipate going forward in this new week. So as our manner is, we usually start with the weekly time frame, dollar index. January is out of the way. We are done with January. We are first week of February. So for the month of January, it was a consolidation all through. We had just 2 days of a positive movement. 2nd of January 2024 and also on the 16th. Those are the 2 days we had large range day. Every other day we see consolidation all through. And for swing traders, it's going to be very problematic for you to be a swing trader in the month of January. Because look at the month of January as consolidation month, accumulation month for the year. So it's been very choppy this month of January. So big traders and scalpers are the ones that might want to have a good run in price, or rather, make some profits. But for swing traders or position traders, they will not really have a good setup for the month of January. Usually it's like that. So in the month of February, what we expect to see, I want to see a movement to this level. This area of inefficiency is where I'm targeting. We have equal highs. Okay, so that's where I'm targeting. Equal highs here. So this is my framework. I want to see trading to this level between now and this month of February before we see a decline in the dollar. So let it trade up to that level before any significant decline. Now, last week, I was actually anticipating this gap, this volume imbalance to be traded to. Unfortunately, it didn't do that. That's the inherent truth when it comes to trading. Not every time your analysis will go points or in the direction that you call or you want it to go to. This week, which is last trading week, was non-farm payroll, where we have manipulation. So we could see a movement up to this level, then a rejection to this level, and then ultimately this low. So that's what we're looking at. If you measure this swing from this high to this low, we just got into equilibrium last week. So this area, the OT area, is where I'm targeting. We have this imbalance and equal highs. That area is where I'm looking at for price to trade to before any bearish movement. Of course, I want this high to remain intact, trade into this bearish order block inside this inefficiency before price will start retracing lower for itself to take out this low. So I wanted to see this week I just finished to trade lower, closing in this volume imbalance, but it didn't do that. So what we're seeing right now, I want to see movement higher to clear this high. So we've had a large range week. We might see a smaller range, not another large range, with a smaller range, but at least let it test this high. Something like trading into the injection block around the swing high. That's what I'm looking at. So anticipating a bullish dollar. Weekly time frame, you can see that they traded through the 50% above the new threshold of this bearish order block. So meaning that you want to see take out the high of this bearish order block next week as the new entry. 4 hours time frame. So my prognostication going into last week was that I wanted to see a decline fill in this void before should higher, or what is saying that should higher consolidated from January from Monday to Thursday, and then Friday, what is sold higher, carrying out all the buy side liquidities resting here. So I want to see trade up to this breaker block and then valid higher. I want to see give up all this range. If it gives up all this range for non-farm period, because this is non-farm period, if it gives up all this range that it created during non-farm period, then we might want to go clear this trade to this void. And after that, I don't know what else you have except it's going to trade to this level. This area is like I have a very strong interest in this area. So if we give up all these ranges, this big beefy bullish candle, if we give it up, this new trading we've done, then we're going to trade to this level. But I want to see trade to this data block and then rally higher. Clear these highs and looking at. So that's my anticipation going to next week. And 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. So yes, that's the breaker block that I'm looking at. Break to it and then rally higher. And let's let this range remain on field. Let it not feel it because if it feels it in there, I want to go lower to this level. Daily time frame. Okay, so that is on dollar index. Let's look at Euro USD. So finally, Euro USD broke lower on the heels of the non-farm payroll. Non-farm payroll went lower, traded lower. We will see that it has traded beyond the 50% of this bullish order block. So the main threshold has been violated. So this low is where I'm targeting. So for next trading week, I'm looking at this low as my area of interest. This low. This is my area of interest. I need to trade to this low and take it out. That's my area of interest. This low here. Okay. So last week we saw daily time frame. This was Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So we had it was trading inside this 4 hours EC and finally went lower on Friday. Taking out Thursday and also trading almost taking out. Let me see. They didn't take out, traded equal lows. So what am I looking at going forward? I want to see this low violated and then trade to this bullish order block. It's the main threshold. If it breaks below that, then we're going to trade to this because all these are all balanced price ranges. Okay, so that's that 4 hours time frame. We saw this low swept on Wednesday, Thursday, swept the low, valid higher, swept the high, equal highs, and then finally gave up the close on Friday. So that's softly on Friday. So we're looking at this low for our next week trade, and this low taking out the next week. So that's our anticipation going into next week. Like I said, I don't want to see this. I don't want it to give up all this range because if it does that, then we will continue our bullish movement. As long as this stays open, then we're going to take out the lows first before any significant movement. So if you check out the range we have from this high to this low, this has already given us a signal to go lower. So I want to see if it has momentum to take out this low or just this and then rally higher again. So that's it. So low hanging fruit is this old low. This old low formed around the 7th of 8th of yes, that's 8th of December. So that low, that's where I'm looking at. So around the low of that candle comes in at 1.0723. So around 0725 to 0730, I got to swoop it lower 0720 to 0710, that level. That's what I'm looking at for us to trade to, which is also in close proximity with the bullish order block here. The open of this candle comes in at 0710. So yeah, 0710, that's where I'm looking at. 0710 is our downside objective for Euro USD. GBP USD, I told us that we're going to be seeing consolidation until a significant movement for dollar index. And we can see it unfolding for Euro, for GBP USD. Now, why did I say that? If you check from this high of this swing to the low of this swing here, it's essentially inside a premium, okay, where we expect retracement. This is a breaker block. This is a very short block. Price has traded up to that level, and you can see that spent several times, several weeks, months consolidating around that level. So any movement above this level is going to take out this high, and that's on the heels of a strong bearish movement on the dollar. That will take this thing higher. Otherwise, we want to see it a bit lower to this bullish order block or take out this low. And if that happens, then we're going to be targeting this bullish order block here and this LPG. That's what I'm looking at. But for now, we're still within the range. This pair is not good for now for swing trading or short-term trading. Day trading and scalping is ideal for this pair for now until we are out of the consolidation. All right, so on daily time frame, this is a massive price action. This is massive price action. Nothing here calls for high probability setup. It's just messy except you trade intraday session highs and lows and inefficiencies. Okay, so we had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday traded bearishly. This I was anticipating it to trade to this 4 hours. I think that's 4 hours. Yes. So this 4 hours FVG here. That's where I'm looking at. I think it's time for it to get to that level this week. Want to see price surge into that level, fill it in, and we'll see if it has willingness to go to this equal lows resting low here. Okay, I want to see this range stay on field. The price should just trade when they get a support or resistance at this breaker block here, then send price lower to fill this inefficiency. So around that around 1.2536. That's the high of this candle. So this high of this candle is 1.2549. So 1.2550 to 1.2540, that area, that price of 45, that's what we're expecting. 1.2550 to 1.2545, that's price area. Price level is what we're looking at for our weekly objective for this pair. Okay. Our Aussie AUD USD weekly time frame. So yes, it met our criteria. I told us that I wanted you to trade to the bullish order block. It did that handsomely last week, and then though I expected a movement higher before it goes lower, it didn't. I just went lower just a little. I think it took. Yes, I wanted you to trade into this level. It didn't do that. Just like these are equal highs. It didn't do that. Just went lower. This is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. I expected to trade up to this level and then go lower, but it didn't. Consolidate around this area and then give up the ghost on Friday. So this is a breakaway gap. This looks like a market maker sell model. So if we continue this trend, it means that this lows will be our area of interest. But low hanging fruit for this week, we're looking at it to trade to fill in this FVG. for this week. So that's where I'm expecting price to get to trade to this FVG. So it should keep going lower to trade to this area of inefficiency by the end of next week. Okay, so this is the area by Fed. I want to see price get to this area between Monday to Friday. This is the area we're looking at. So we are bearish on AUD/US. This is a good pair to trade for sell, looking for sell setup. I think the same thing goes for NZD/USD. So happened I wanted for AUD/USD happened for NZD/USD. You can see we traded higher on Wednesday, cleared our buy side into FVG. See the FVG here. That's what I was trying to outline for AUD/USD. So traded into the FVG and then went lower, took out this low. Want to see significant movement to take out this low. So on weekly time frame, we're expecting it. And this is a bullish order block. So I think that's where I'm looking at right now. Let's open. Good. That's what I'm looking at. We have inefficiency here. So the mean threshold around that area, that region, break through to this level inside this FVG here. So downside objective for this pair is what I'm anticipating. So trade up to this mitigation block, then break lower to that level right here. That's about that. The next is USD CAD. So for USD CAD, USD CAD, I wanted a sell-off. Because we saw 2 weeks of price respecting this very short block. So I wanted a sell-off, but it didn't give me that. It still consolidated around that range. So last week we were here. This was where we were last week. So I wanted it to trade to this level. But they didn't do that. We had equal highs as well as upside objective. It didn't also give that. We just consolidated. Now, if we expect dollar to rally up, then this relatively equal highs and this old triple tops equal highs here, those are our objective, upside objective. All right. This area and this area right here. Those are our areas of concentration. Okay, so I want to see how price trades to this level. All right, it's respected this bullish order block, so I want to see momentum higher to clear this buy side liquidity and ultimately to this level. So if you measure from this high to this low, so we're almost close to touch the equilibrium level, projected back to the bullish order block. So I want to see a spike higher into this sweet spot above the 62% threshold, which will clear this buy side liquidity resting above this relatively poor high. So our projection is higher. Dollar CAD is going to be bullish for this new trading week. So our objective will be this here and then see how it has strength to trade to this level. That's for dollar CAD. 4 hours time frame. Let's see. Okay. Equal highs. That's my target. That's my focus. So I'm looking for bullish stance for USD CAD. So for USD CHF. Okay, so the FVG on weekly time frame was completely filled. So I want to see it higher, disregard this bearish order block and trade higher. That's what I want to see. So it has found support on this inversion FVG for previous month, and also bearish FVG, that's the CB for BC rather. BC, and that's filled it completely. So I want to see it rally higher. Where we're targeting, we have old high, we have old high, we have inefficiency here. So we have premium arrays, premium upside objective, one here, and so I want to see bullish movement on this pair, bullish movement for this pair. Equal highs have been swept, so I want to see it stay. This it should come, it might come to find support again on this inversion FVG and then rally higher. But shouldn't give up all this range. You want to see give up all this range. Equal highs resting here, liquidity resting here, and then we'll have another one here. So we have upside objective for USD CHF. The next is USD JPY. So we're almost close, going higher. So that our level equal high is resting here. So we have a lot of liquidity resting above this. I want to see price rally through it. So we are still bullish on this pair, bullish on this pair, bullish. We're going higher, we're going higher. This inversion FVG has been respected. Once more, get above it. Bullish shadow block traded to the open, valid higher, equal highs, and it pierce through. We have equal highs here, FVG, and then so bullish movement on this. This should be like the second stage of the reaccumulation. So I want to see it tear higher now to take out this high. So we have smart money reversal. We have low risk buy. We have accumulation, reaccumulation, this other level of accumulation for the same price higher. So that's where we are right now. These highs are too clean for me. And we see trade higher. So we are bullish on USD JPY. Bullish on USD JPY. This range should be left on field. Shouldn't close it. We want to see, leave it. Trade back to this old high and then tail higher, going higher. SP500. SP500 is still bullish. Like I told us, until this low is violated, I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish until this low is violated. So I'm still bullish on our indices. I'm still bullish on our indices. What will change it is when this low on the 5th of January, that low, if that low is traded through, then I would change my opinion for the longs and then go for shorts. But for now, we are bullish on our indices. So there's nothing, no resistance upward, nothing to frame it. We don't know how far it's going to go, and we cannot be calling the tops on bullish markets. We just allow it to keep going higher until, because that's taken out the all-time high, which was here. Right now, we are in a zone where it could just keep riding higher, except this low is violated. So we are bullish on SP500. So we traded to this inefficiency, playing out these lows on Wednesday, and we saw a surge higher from Thursday to Friday, and this is where we are. 4 hours time frame, we could see open here, traded higher, went lower, cleared this by excess liquidity. Same thing here, and then traded into this. Let's see, maybe low. Yes, exactly. So, placing the core lows. So, want to see it continuous bullish movement. But the moment it breaks below this low, then okay, because it could trade up to this level and see rally higher. It could do that. But once this low is violated, then I know that, okay, yes, we're ready to start going lower. But for now, I'm still bullish on indices. I'm still bullish on indices. Same thing for NASDAQ, US 100. So still bullish, going higher. We have FVG here, it traded into it 50%, nailed it, and it's been bullish. Okay, though it has not taken out last week's high. I want to believe that this week we're entering to trade above it, you know, and then continue with what SP500 is been going higher and higher. So until this low as well is violated, we are still bullish. We could come trade back to this bullish order block, we capitalize it and still go higher. Permissible. But once this low is broken and it trades below, closes below it, then only then I'll change my stance from bullish towards bearish. But for now, we are bullish on US 100. US 30, see bullish movements, it's been bullish. So we'll continue our bullish movements higher and higher. All right, so bullish on this pair. Bullish. So what happened last week? So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday went higher again. So we're bullish. Until this low is violated, we remain bullish. We remain bullish on our indices. So indices, we are bullish. We are extremely bullish. Okay, we are bullish. All right. Next one is the gold. Weekly time frame, consolidation around this level. No significant move higher or lower. So we're trading in the range. Trading in the range. We've already gotten to all-time high for gold. This is all-time high for this pair, all-time high. So just consolidate around that area, that level. And here, what happened last week? So we opened since Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. This Monday, it was bullish until Friday. Clear this high. I think so. Yes, clear out this high. And market can see. Yes, cleared it out on Thursday, and then rejected lower. So this is like trading back into bullish order block, like here. Trading back into bullish order block. Got it here. Open up that candle, nailed it, and that's a rejection. So as long as we stay above this low, as long as we are keep pushing higher, this low is respected, we are bullish. Though it's still within the range high, so low is still within that range. But I think it's on the premium from this low to that high and the premium level. So as long as we stay above equilibrium and we don't go below this low, then we'll see how if we can trade above this high and not really take out this high. But if dollar is going to go bullish this week, then we might want to consolidate here again, still trying to respect this bullish order block. Okay, so we still consolidate around this level. The significant price run higher. Okay, so that's that. This gold is supposed to be done intraday for now until we get into trending environment. So for swing traders, you might want to avoid gold for now. There's no trend there. It's not in the trending environment, it's consolidating. Really slow to this high, it's within the range. It's trading within the range. So you want to do day trading or scalping. It's not even good for short-term trading. So trade lower again. This BC will come and test that BC and still be bullish. Okay, test this BC and still have equal highs here, hold high. So those are premium array, premium targets. Okay, so that's for gold. That's for gold. I want to trade gold, do it intraday. Trade gold intraday. Trade gold intraday. Let's trade it for now. There's nothing in gold that is bullish or bearish until we trade outside this range. Okay, BTC. I told us we're going to be bullish in BTC, expecting bullish prices because that's fulfilled our objective when, sorry. Okay, we fulfilled our objective when it traded to this inefficiency. So when it filled it 2 weeks ago, I told us that it's time for us to go bullish. So we're expecting bullish prices on this asset. Expecting bullish prices to run this high, then trading to this area of inefficiency. That's what we're looking at. So we had this was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So it's been consolidating, nothing significant here. I expect this price to move higher. Now, why is it like this? We have a CB, so it's like a resistance here, but it's going to be traded through because there's nothing. This is balanced price range. I want to see it sort higher this new week. Like I said, we are bullish on BTC until we get to that target right here before we can experience any form of bearish movement. Now, what changes it? What changes the tone? What changes the tone? If it goes and trades below this inefficiency on weekly time frame, this area that I've marked, if it trades below it, trades below this low, trades below and closes below it, then we will resume our bearish movement. As long as price stays above this candles low, then we go to our target at 53,000 to 54,000. That's the price range for BTC. All right, so that's about that. So to recap, I said for dollar index, we expect bullish movement to clear out these highs. For Euro US, we expect bearish movement to clear out these lows. Same thing applies for GBP USD to trade to close this 4 hours inefficiency. That's what I'm looking at. For AUD USD, I wanted to trade to this level here, filling this void or inefficiency on what do you call it? NZD USD. I wanted to trade to this other block. All right, that's our target. USD card, I want to trade to this level and this level. USD CHF, I want to take out this high and also this high. So we have upside objective for USD CHF, this high, and this high, and then ultimately let's see if we can run this whole high. So those are our levels for USD CHF. Okay, then USD JPY, I want to run higher. We have equal highs here. Let me that's what is I'm looking at. Bullish movements, want it to go higher and ultimately take out this high. Okay. Then SP 500, we are bullish. US, that's Nasdaq, we are bullish. US 30, Dow Jones Industrial Average, we are also bullish. Gold, I want to see price trade higher. We have equal highs and then old high. But for this week, we will consolidate because dollar is going to be bullish. So we'll consolidate around this level. And then BTC, of course, we're expecting higher prices as well. So that is it for this week. That's analysis for this week. Like I usually tell you, don't over trade, don't over risk, don't over leverage. Make sure you trade with a risk that it's manageable, that is within your threshold, your risk appetite threshold. All right. The market is not in a trending environment for now, so we should be very nimble with our trades for now. Preferably day trading and scalping is ideal and advisable for this period until we get into trending period. For now, we are still consolidating, we are still ranging. All right, thank you very much. I'll catch up with you guys on Saturday next week. From here, for me, it is good night. God bless you.